Let's make some sinful sausage and pasta tonight. You want a nice hot pan with a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. You want a high side on this pan. We're going to start by cooking our peppers. We're going to get them a little bit cooked, just a little bit, and then we're going to add our onions. Stir those around and cook those until the peppers start to get soft and the onions become slightly translucent. Add the garlic. We're going to cook that for about a minute until it gets fragrant. Then we're going to season with our sinful Italian seasoning. And then add the sausage. These are about 1/4 inch discs. Stir those around until they start to get brown. Add your fire roasted tomatoes. And again, mix well. And then add the asparagus. And we're going to stir those around as well too. Now we're going to pull out a little bit of pasta water, about 1 cup. And we're going to set it aside because we're going to need it in a little bit. We're going to add our pasta. I scooped it in straight from the pot. Don't worry about getting water in there. We're going to use that to help make the sauce. Now I put a little bit of, well, I stirred it around a little bit. Then I put a little bit of a well in the center. This is where I'm going to pour my pasta water. And I'm only going to pour about half of it in that little spot there. Just to start out with. We'll probably add more later. There it is, that pasta water going in. And then we're going to add half of our Parmesan cheese and get that stirred in really, really well. We're going to let that melt a little bit and get all over that pasta. And then we'll judge to see if we need any more. We probably will, and I know I will. So I add a little bit more, or actually the rest of the Parmesan. And then I felt like I needed a little bit more water, so I added that as well. Stir it around until the pasta and all those vegetables get nice and coated. And there you have it. There's a link to a downloadable and printable PDF file in the description, but here is the recipe anyway. I want to thank y'all for coming to the kitchen today. Please like and subscribe, and as always, have a wonderful afternoon.